Assalamu alaikum. My dear lovely learners, in this session, we will see and learn more examples on connectors or linking words. So, let's get started there. To show opposite or contradictory idea. Lovely learners, to show opposite or contradictory idea, we will use but, on the other hand, on the contrary, yet, whereas. Lovely learners, if we see opposite or contradictory idea information, we will use definitely but, on the other hand, on the contrary, yet, whereas. Okay? Now you see examples. Bangladesh has a large population. Bangladesh has a large population, but she or it cannot use them properly. Okay, lovely learners? Bangladesh has a large population, but she or it cannot use them properly. Okay? Yet we are developing. There, in this way, we will use connectors like but, on the other hand, on the contrary, yet, whereas. You see again, Bangladesh has a large population. Yes, for a country, population is an asset. But, okay, I mean in opposite idea. But she or it cannot use them properly. Yet, another connector, okay, yet we are or Bangladesh is developing, okay, slowly, steadily, or gradually. Okay. To show emphasis or to put importance, we'll use in fact, indeed, actually. Okay, so lovely learners, Bangladesh is an agricultural country. Bangladesh is an agricultural country. In fact, In fact, most of her people, most of her people depend on it, means agriculture. Okay, dear. Actually, our farmers can play a vital role. So in fact and actually are used here to show or put importance. Bangladesh is an agricultural country. In fact, most of her people depend on it or agriculture. Actually, our farmers can play a vital role in our economy. They can contribute a lot to our economy. Lovely learners, in this way, you should practice more and more. Thank you very much for enjoying this video.